Do you think that urban lifestyle is better than rural lifestyle? And if yes, why? If no, why not?
I personally think that rural lifestyle is far better than urban lifestyles in terms of health and the nature and the environment, because the rurals are well developed in greeneries and the gardens, so we get fresh air and the oxygen.
Why did you use the word well developed? Uh-huh.
Sorry, well developed. I can't say well developed, but they are huge. Sorry, there are lots of trees and jungles available. Like I want to describe that it's very much green there, and the environment, due to which environment is quite good. We get the fresh air, and the oxygen is more
Okay.
pure than the urbans.
Right.
So to
So
con
make ha sorry, continue.
Yeah, so to conclude, I personally feel that the rural lifestyle is is more better than urban lifestyle.
We don't use the word more better. We can
Okay,
say better than rural life
okay,
because more better will be wrong. Better. Okay. This is stronger, more stronger. We don't say that.
okay, okay.
ठीक. So, how can you say in a shorts, how can you be more precise? Well, I personally value, but question क्या था? Let me think. Do you prefer, right? Do you prefer urban lifestyle or rural lifestyle? Well, I personally prefer the rural lifestyle because of two reasons. I value sustainability. I'm an eco-friendly person. I love nature, tranquility, low-paced life. That's what I get in rural areas. On the other hand, in urban areas, I lack those things. I don't have those things. For example, we don't have. It's a fast-paced life, not eco-friendly, and because of urbanization and deforestation, that thing I don't value personally. So to answer your question, because of these values is not being met, so I prefer rural
Rural life.
lifestyle. It's very simple and to the point because what you value two things: slow paced life, greenery, garden, right? So instead of describing greenery and garden and all, let's come back to the most important points. Okay, work on that. Let's go to another one.